Imagine making more money in one day than you've made it a year at your job. I recently connected with someone who just did that, and I want to share the most valuable insights from his story so that you could do the same thing for yourself. Let's get into it. Hey, meet Emmanuel, a 22-year-old kid born and raised in Puerto Rico, and until recently, he worked a job, the dreaded 9 to 5, just like most people. He's not a trust fund baby. He doesn't have a real estate license. He doesn't have rich parents, and he's never bought a house before. But he did have one thing that most people don't. He had the guts to take action when opportunity showed up. Not only that, but he's got a brand new baby, so he's got mouths to feed at home, and he needed to make some sweet, sweet money. Emmanuel and I met inside of our online investment community called Apex. And that's where I teach people how to find deals, analyze deals, and actually do something with them, even if they're brand new. And Emmanuel, he didn't just watch from the sidelines. He plugged in, showed up, he asked a bunch of questions, and he started executing day one. That's the difference. Do you want to make 40K on your first deal too? Pay attention to what he did next. So let's talk about how Emmanuel found this deal. He literally followed the same 3-step system that I use to find distressed deals in Puerto Rico. Number one, he looked where other people aren't looking. Not on Zillow, not on Realtor.com. We're talking about Facebook Marketplace, Classificados Online. He got in his car and he drove for dollars, one of our favorite pastimes. He found a seller that was in distress. The property had been for sale for a long, long time, and he made them an offer that they couldn't refuse. Number three, he took immediate action. And what I mean by that is he got on the phone and he started calling until he found a great deal. A distressed seller first, then he started making offers. Actually, he was making 10 calls a day on properties all over the island, and he was making at least 3 offers a day. Guys, you make your money when you buy, and you can't buy anything if you're not making offers, and you can't make offers if you're not making the calls. Action, action, action. Now, this is where most people stall out, but not Emmanuel. He didn't have the cash to buy the house, and he didn't need to. When he got this deal locked up, he came to us because he needed deposit money. We helped him find a member in Apex, Alan Domacy, who put up the 20K for him that he needed. We helped him with the contract because he didn't know where to go next. Guys, deal first is everything. It started all of the conversations, and all he needed to know how to do was find the great deal, and then everything that he needed to find out after that came next. First things first, take action, start making the calls, find the deal of a lifetime. Don't worry about all of this other shit that you don't need until you have a great deal. Emmanuel didn't worry about it, and we helped him get through it. Once he found the great deal, we got him the contract, we helped him find the deposit money that he didn't have, and then through our community, he even found a buyer. They closed a couple of weeks ago. Now he's got 40 grand in the bank. Oh my, what a deal. Is that life-changing or what? And he never swung a hammer. He never had to go to the bank. He solved the problem for the seller, connected the dots, and that's what a real estate investor does, solves problems for sellers. So here's the punchline. Emmanuel put a property under contract with amazing terms, found a buyer through our Apex community, made 40 grand assigning the deal. Let me repeat that. He made $40,000 on his very first deal with no license, no credit, and not $1 of his own money in the deal. So let me ask you, what's stopping you from doing the same? And if you want to hear the full story directly from Emmanuel, how he found the deal, what the seller told him, and how he got paid, click here and watch the full podcast. And guys, if you want to join our free community, comment yes. I'll send you a link. It's also in the description as well. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for us. God bless.